Alright guys, so if wireless or MagSafe charging is not working on your iPhone, especially after the iOS 26 update, first, I'll remind you that sometimes when your device gets overheated, this might automatically turn off charging. If that's your issue, you can just go ahead, turn it off, and then just leave it for a while to cool down. After a while, try to charge it wirelessly and see now if your problem is solved. If it starts charging, great. If it did not, sometimes this happens for minor software glitch. So if it's turned off or on, doesn't matter, let's force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold down the side or power button till the screen shows Apple logo. A lot of users have found this particular process useful and their iPhone has started charging wirelessly right after a forced restart. So I hope it works for you as well. If it didn't, and if you are using any third-party case or cover with your iPhone, first just go ahead and take it off. And make sure to clean this charging area. Also, don't forget to clean the surface of your wireless charger. Especially if you're trying to use a third-party wireless charger, not a MagSafe, make sure it's compatible with your iPhone. And also make sure you're placing the iPhone to the sweet spot on the charger. Just make sure both of them are aligned, otherwise either it won't charge at all or it will just keep disconnecting. And lastly, make sure you're placing both of them to a flat surface. Just in case if you got an extra wireless charger lying around somewhere at your house, you can try that as well. I know most of us do not have that at our home, so it's better to make sure the adapter you're using with your previous wireless charger is functional along with the power source. If there is no serious issue, at some point it should start charging. If not, to test if there is any hardware issue, just go ahead plug it into a cable and see if it starts charging. If it does, fantastic. If it does not, kindly contact Apple support to see if there is a hardware issue with your iPhone's battery. Thanks for watching.